Stock number 2125, a 2018 Chevy Traverse. It was a RS package, front end assembly inspection video. Our typical cowl cut, so through the windshield and through the floor. Start over this side. That's driver's side fender. Nice and clean. Along with the black textured molding. Looks like it is the HID headlights, not the LEDs. Also has the fog light, chrome bezel. Has the black bow tie emblem, black grille. Does have a front camera in the grille. Does not have park assist sensors. Passenger side fog light. Got your headlight. Here's your passenger side fender. Again, nice and clean. Black textured molding. The hood appears to be dent and scratch free. It has some scratches, but dent and ding free. Nothing in there. Your striker's nice, complete. Take a look under the hood. Your driver's side headlight tab. There, nothing broken there. Have your under the hood plastics, your fender liners, fuse box, battery tray. Comes with the cooling. Have your fan assembly, radiator condenser, washer bottles right there. Take a look here at the passenger side. Headlight tab is there. Nothing broken there. Take a look from this angle. Stock number 2125, 2018 Chevy Traverse front end assembly, in stock now. August Pohl Auto Parts.